In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We'll start right inside ClickUp's inbox, which is the fastest place to catch up on what matters. Open your workspace and head to the inbox. If you see multiple tabs, make sure you're on your primary inbox so you're looking at the main stream of updates. Give it a moment to load, especially if your workspace is busy. If your sidebar is open, that's fine. But for now, keep your focus on the inbox feed in the center. Next, look for anything labeled Recruitment. This might appear as a notification, a task mention, or an update tied to your recruiting work. Click it to jump straight into the details behind that update. If your feed is long, use the search bar at the top to type Recruitment, or apply filters to narrow the list. The goal is simply to open the relevant item so you can explore it more deeply. With that item open, locate the View controls. You'll usually find these near the top of the page, where ClickUp lets you switch how the information is displayed. Click on View to open the list of available options. From here, select Activity. This section shows a chronological history of changes, comments, status updates, and assignments. It's perfect for understanding who did what and when, and for catching any important notes left by your team. Scroll through the feed to get context. If it's too noisy, use filters to focus on comments or changes only. After reviewing the activity, return to the View picker by clicking View again. Now choose Timeline. Timeline gives you a horizontal schedule of tasks with start and due dates, which is especially helpful for planning hiring stages, interviews, or onboarding milestones. If you don't see tasks on the timeline, check that your items have dates assigned. Only dated tasks appear here. Use the zoom controls to adjust your timescale if you need a broader or more granular look. Finally, navigate to February 2026. You can do this by using the month dropdown or the left and right arrows at the top of the timeline until you reach that month. Once there, review how your recruitment tasks align across the weeks. Look for overlaps, gaps, or bottlenecks. Drag tasks to adjust dates if your permissions allow, and confirm dependencies so changes don't break downstream work. That's it. You moved from inbox to the recruitment item, reviewed its activity, switched to timeline, and focused on February 2026 for a clear planning view. Save any filters you like for quick reuse, and you're ready to keep your recruiting work on track.